14 cellulite treatment tips and recipes for lazy women. Most women have used a form of cellulite treatment, and there is a good reason for that. Men love everything about women's bodies, but often a seductive belly or sexy pair of legs is the first thing that grabs their attention. In fact, shapely legs are often perceived as an indicator of fitness. It is not a pleasant sight for a woman to see dimpled flesh appearing on her thighs, hips, buttocks, or abdomen. Having trouble removing the orange peel that has erupted on your thighs, buttocks, or hips? Whether you are thin or round, young or old, it is the same fight. It is estimated that cellulite affects around 9 out of 10 women. Ladies, if this figure makes us realize our normality, it does not take away our desire to have smooth and firm skin. Do not despair. There are anti-cellulite treatments and some habits to change in your daily life to get rid of dimpled-looking skin for good. However, commercial anti-cellulite creams are often expensive and only offer relative results. So to fight against cellulite, we prefer to turn to natural ingredients that have been proven. In this video, you will discover 14 cellulite treatment tips as well as anti-cellulite recipes which you can prepare yourself in comfort of your own home. In addition, at the end, you will learn 6 cellulite-causing foods to avoid in your diet. 1. Understanding your cellulite to better treat it. As they say, before practice comes theory. It is the same for cellulite treatment. To eradicate your cellulite, it is necessary to understand the type you have. It's like an enemy. The more you know him, the more chances you have to overcome. If you understand yourself and your enemy, you will be far more likely to win. There are 3 types of cellulite. 1. Fat cellulite. This is the most common. Painless, it appears by pinching the skin. It is attributed to poor diet and lack of physical exercise. 2. Aqueous cellulite. Visible to the naked eye, it is generally accompanied by a feeling of heavy legs. It is due to poor venous and lymphatic circulation, which leads to water retention and tissue swelling. 3. Fibrous cellulite. Painful, hard to touch, and sometimes purplish. It is the most difficult to remove. Very encrusted fibrous cellulite comes from a hardening of the collagen fibers, which will then trap the fat under the skin. 2. Choosing the right ingredients. Ignoring the cause and type of cellulite they have is one of the main reasons some women fail to get rid of their cellulite. Now that you know the causes of your cellulite, you will be able to select the most suitable ingredients to treat it. Here are the best essential oils to use in your cellulite treatment according to the type you have. Lemon essential oil, all types. Grapefruit essential oil, all types. Cedarwood essential oil, all types. Helichrysum Italian essential oil, mandarin essential oil, rosewood essential oil, geranium rosette essential oil, cypress essential oil, camphorated rosemary essential oil. Precautions. Never apply a pure essential oil directly on the skin. It must be mixed with vegetable oil. Do not use essential oils during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. 3. Drink green tea along with any treatment. Green tea in itself will not remove cellulite, but it facilitates the elimination of water and unhealthy fats under the skin. It is also rich in antioxidants that help maintain the youthful tone of the skin. It is therefore important to drink green tea along with any cellulite treatment you're following. Drink green tea preferably before the end of the afternoon, or you risk spending a somewhat white night. While it provides an array of health benefits, drinking green tea at night, especially less than hours preceding bedtime, may make it difficult to fall asleep. In addition, green tea causes increased nighttime peeing, which in return can lead to sleeplessness. 4. DYI Caffeine Lotion. If you're used to buying cellulite creams, you must have noticed that all of them contain caffeine. This is because caffeine is a formidable weapon for breaking down fat and firming the skin. Make your own anti-cellulite lotion by betting on lemon and coffee. You will have a very effective anti-cellulite home lotion. Put 16 ounces of very strong coffee in a bottle and add the juice of 1 lemon. Close, shake. Leave it to rest for 24 hours. For smell and improved quality, massage the affected areas with this lotion. Please note that you cannot keep it for more than a week. 5. Olive oil and lemon zest massage. Massaging yourself every day with lemon zest and olive oil can help you get rid of cellulite within 3 months. Just mix extra virgin olive oil with fresh organic lemon zest at a 50-50 ratio. You can add a few drops of the juice of the lemon if you like. Massage the affected area every night before going to bed. Count 10 minutes of massage every day after shower. Remember, for effective results, always massage yourself from the bottom up. A friend of mine used this remedy to remove her cellulite within 3 months. It works. 6. 3 essential oils plus lemon zest massage. If you don't want or like olive oil, or you prefer something more aromatic, you can massage yourself daily with a mixture of grapefruit, lemongrass, and cedarwood essential oils. It doesn't matter what type of cellulite you have, these oils work against all types of cellulite. Grapefruit, lemongrass, and cedarwood essential oils benefit the skin in multiple ways, including improving its appearance and removing cellulite. 7. Remain active. No secret, and we all know it, to prevent water retention, nothing is better than exercise along with a balanced diet. If you're not an athlete at heart, you can still take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk to the car. 45 minutes of walking equals 150 calories less. Also, contract your buttocks and abs regularly while sitting, whether at work, in the subway, or in front of the TV. You can also go sweat gently in the sauna. Your body will discharge a few grams without noticing it. It's all those little things that might think are trivial that matter. 8. Turkish bath or hammam. Also known as hammam, Turkish baths cause dilation of the blood vessels and improve blood circulation, which contribute to the reduction of cellulite. The therapeutic effect is linked to the fact that the heat stimulates and circulates the open pores. As the pores of the skin open, toxins and water retention are eliminated. The body draws on its own fat reserves, including fatty deposits under the skin, to recover the energy consumed. This is an excellent cellulite treatment for people who can afford it. A few sessions will result in smooth skin. 9. Express formula with lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil has a firming action to fight cellulite. It repairs tissue damage by fatty deposits. This natural cellulite treatment will help you to get rid of fat deposits while firming and rejuvenating your skin at the same time. Mix a tablespoon of jojoba oil and 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Massage the affected area with this mixture in the morning and evening. 10. Avoid snacking and don't skip any meals. Cellulite affects all women, even those who do not have a weight problem. A good diet is not guaranteed to prevent or remove it, but it can greatly improve the results of other alternatives. Don't skip meals because cellulite loves irregular schedules. It can have almost the same effects as an unhealthy diet. 11. Complete aroma-massage formula. This recipe is a real in-depth cellulite treatment. Take one clean 100 milliliter vial, pour in 94 milliliters of argan oil, add 1 milliliter of helichrysum essential oil, 2 milliliters of juniper essential oil, 80 drops, and 3 milliliters of lemon essential oil, 120 drops. To get the most of the effects of this formula, pour it into the palms of your hands, rub your hands together, and massage the affected areas before taking your shower. Take a hot shower and continue to massage using the palpate roll technique. Pinch a fold of the skin between your thumb, index finger, and middle finger, then go up from the bottom to the top, moving your fingers as if you were rolling the skin under your fingers. The heat released by the water will maximize the anti-cellulite effect. It will facilitate the penetration of the remedy into the tissues to have a more effective in-depth action. Warning: it is not a pleasant exercise. If you have a serious blood circulation problem or if you bruise easily, avoid this technique. Prefer a traditional massage by friction. 12. Protect your veins with vitamin C and flavonoids. Considerably increase your intake of vitamin C. Mainly the one found in moringa, orange, grapefruit, and especially kiwi, as well as vitamin E, and flavonoids of red wine and black currants. These fruits are rich in antioxidants that protect the walls of your veins and skin integrity. Plant-based vitamin C and E and flavonoids also improve blood circulation and the functions of the arteries in order to prevent fat deposit. 13. Do these two targeted exercises. To shape your buttocks and chase away those nasty fats, here are two anti-cellulite exercises easy to perform in front of the TV or in your bedroom within everyone's reach. 1. Lie on your back, legs bent, raise the pelvis by contracting the abdominals. Perform 50 contractions to repeat 4 times. 2. Lie on your back, head up, tighten and release the buttocks 10 times, and at the same time, exert sliding pressure with your fist on the outer thighs. 14. Yawn and laugh. Yawning and laughing would make you lose weight? No, but they would have the effect of avoiding the stress which can worsen cellulite and other skin problems. For example, stress can aggravate psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema. Very few people know it, but yawning helps relieve stress. It is as you breathe out stressful thoughts and allow yourself to relax. As they say, laughter is the best sport for lazy people. 6. Unhealthy foods to avoid if you have cellulite. There's no point in treating your cellulite if you continue to eat unhealthy fats, because there is no miracle cream to avoid cellulite. A certain lifestyle is essential. It becomes an obligation to say goodbye to McDonald's, kebabs, and other harmful foods. But besides fat, there are other foods that wouldn't help you. Boycott them and say goodbye to cellulite for good. Here are 6 foods never to eat when doing any cellulite treatment. 1. White sugar. Refined sugar has no dietary benefit. On the contrary, it acts like a poison in your body. Sugar itself does not contain fat, but it is made up of empty calories, which may reduce the amount of collagen in your body and cause premature aging and sagging skin. Consuming sugar makes cellulite look worse. You can replace refined sugar with healthy alternatives like raw honey, xylitol, maple syrup, or agave. 2. Refined salt. Table salt or refined salt contains only sodium chloride. It causes water retention and poor circulation, which can lead to cellulite or make it appear worse. You can swap it for pink Himalayan salt or any of the healthiest forms of sea salt that are unrefined and contain no preservatives. 3. Alcohol. Drinking alcoholic beverages and treating cellulite is like trying to get blood from a stone. It will not work. Although it is not the alcohol itself that causes cellulite, it does cause poor blood circulation, making the problem worse. Avoid or limit alcohol consumption. This is even more important during any cellulite treatment. 4. Refined flour. Meals made with refined flour are not easy to digest. They cause toxins to build up in your body, which often lead to cellulite. The solution is simple. Choose non-GMO whole grains. 5. Fried foods. Deep frying has a very high fat content. When we heat fats at high temperatures, they can generate toxic substances which your body tends to accumulate far from our vital organs to preserve them. They tend to turn into cellulite. 6. Industrial dishes. Beware of bad or junk food. Industrial dishes such as burgers, pastries, fries, candies, sandwiches, and other ready-made meals meet all the criteria necessary to cause cellulite. All these dishes have refined flour, sugar, and salt, as well as processed fats. Thank you for staying to the end. Now it's your turn. Do you know of any other grandma recipes to get rid of cellulite? Share it in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you.